This is without a doubt the most advanced all-in-one technical analysis indicator on the TradingView platform. It has everything: supply and demand, dozens of confirmation indicators, EMAs, and various smooth filters. I guarantee you have never seen anything like this before. In this detailed tutorial, I will teach you how to use this indicator as well as give you a full trading strategy with it that will make you highly profitable. It is important to note that this technical analysis tool can be used for trading volatile cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and Forex pairs. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 5 and 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Traders, if you're frustrated by losing streaks and wish you had the guidance of a professional, I've found a solution for you: Easy Options Live Trading. Forget about uncertainty and blown-up accounts. From now on, you have the opportunity to follow the strategies of a professional options trader who gets a consistent 80% plus win rate. His signals are highly accurate, and the process is very simple. All you need to do is attend daily live streams during market open and enter and exit trades along with Winger in real time. In addition, you'll learn high win rate strategies that have been proven to work. Click the first link in the description and secure your spot today. To install this indicator on your chart, log into your TradingView account and open any market. Currently, I am viewing the Ethereum price chart on the 15-minute time frame. Open the indicators and search for DIY Custom Strategy Builder, V1. Select this one by Zpaya. Let's thank the creator of this fantastic script. This is how the indicator looks in default settings. It displays buy and sell signals on the chart with supply and demand zones and market sessions. Having sessions on your chart is extremely beneficial, as you can instantly see during which session the market is active the most. Candle coloring also contributes to a significant role in indicating the market's momentum and trend. Green candles indicate bullish momentum. Red candles signal bearish momentum. Gray bars are displayed when the market consolidates. If a buy signal appears under a green bar, the chances of it being profitable are much higher. The opposite is true for a sell signal. Before using this indicator, I suggest accessing the chart settings and hiding the candle body and wicks. This way, the candle colors will be easier to read. In the indicator inputs, you can customize the accuracy of buy and sell signals. With more than 40 indicators available, you can select any combination you prefer, and the indicator will generate buy and sell signals accordingly. This is an alternative to the time-consuming process of manually confirming signals from multiple indicators. This tool simplifies the process by automatically printing buy and sell signals based on your chosen combination of first and second confirmation indicators. No more staring at a screen for hours. Simply set up alerts and let the indicator do the work for you. Depending on the market you trade, you can select different indicator combinations. DIY Custom Strategy Builder even has an option to set a signal expiry candle count. By default, this number is set to 3. This means that if the leading indicator generates a signal, it will wait for maximum 3 more candles for the rest of the confirmation indicators to catch up. If they do not respond in time, the signal will not be printed. In the next block, you have an option to choose which indicator will be your main confirmation. These are the most popular buy and sell indicators on TradingView. From this point forward, you do not need to install 2 or more indicators on your chart or purchase a premium TradingView plan. All the tools you need are in one place. For the cryptocurrency market, I like to use ADX as a main confirmation. It works very well for long trades. Just take a look at the accuracy of these buy signals. The indicator can also be used as part of a buy and hold strategy. The creator regularly updates the indicator to maintain consistent accuracy. It can also be used in any time frame, from intraday to long-term trading. To customize the secondary confirmation indicator, all you need to do is go to Inputs and enable any indicator you see in this window. Here you can enable different EMA filters, range filters, supertrend, VWAP, stochastic, and more. Now you can build hundreds of different trading setups in seconds. All you have to do is choose the first and the secondary confirmation indicators. Let me show you another effective combination that works for day trading Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. The first step is to enable BX Trender as your main confirmation. Scroll down and select the range filter and the Wada-Atar explosion as signal filters. You can customize the length of the indicators to further improve signal accuracy. For simplicity's sake, let's keep them default. You can also turn on overlay indicators such as fair value gaps, liquidity zones, and more. For this setup, we'll enable supply and demand, liquidity zones, and candle coloring. If all the indicators align correctly, a buy or sell signal will be generated. Remember to check the candle color before initiating a trade. It is also helpful to consider supply and demand as final trade confirmation. To maximize your odds, avoid opening a long trade near the supply zone and a short trade near the demand zone. Let's look at some trade examples with this trading setup. We'll start with a long trade. To confirm a long signal issued by the indicator, the candle bar must be green, indicating bullish pressure. However, if the candle bar is gray, you can still open a long trade as long as the price action indicates a potential bullish trend. It is crucial to check price action before opening a position. Notice how the price bounced off this demand level quite a few times. Every time it did so, the price increased. Buying near the demand zone is a very good idea, as long as the indicator confirms a long trade with a buy signal. Hence, all sell signals near this support level get canceled due to the massive amount of pending buy orders in this area. For this type of strategy, you can set the stop loss at the recent swing low. A manual take profit target should be no less than 1.5 times the risk. Adjust the stop loss to break even once the price reaches a 1-to-1 risk reward. This way, you'll increase your strategy's win rate even more. For short trades, wait for the price to retest the supply level first. If the market shows weakness breaking through this level, wait for the indicator to produce a sell signal. Then, once a sell signal is issued, check the bar color. It should be red. Apply the same money management rules as for long trades. Set the profit target at a minimum of 1.5 times the risk. Adjust the stop loss to break even once the price reaches a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let me now quickly show you how to create alerts for this strategy. First, click on the Alerts button at the top. For the condition, enable the DIY Custom Strategy Builder indicator. You can create alerts for buy or sell signals. Select the alert once per closed bar. Set the expiration date if needed. Once you're finished, click Create.